called Manito. And there's a view deck here. Let's have a wee look. I love Manito. Malo view deck. Wow. Oh, look at that. See the colour of the water down there. Nice to swim down there. Cool. It's obviously popular, and it's a scorching day today, by the way. Look at the sky, no clouds. Very hot. So we're about 20 minutes from Belmar Beach, which it's a place I've never been to before, so I wanted to try it. You can see I've even got gloves on to protect my hands and these sleeves. That's how hot it is, guys. Anyway, it's beautiful down here. There's another bit, like a wee bay down there. Let me just turn this camera. See down there. Looks like a nice wee beach. But Belmar Beach looks actually pretty good. Like I say, I've never been before, so we'll give it a wee go. I've just pulled over, look at this. They're in swimming in there. We're very, very close now, but look at this area here. I thought at first it was mangroves. I think it's just like a delta going out to the sea there. This is the only way to the beach. They have gas?
Yeah.
These guys? Okay. Wait, who are you talking about? Who has gas? Who has gas?
Gas?
Here?
Yeah. This way, sir.
Okay. Need to get gas. This looks like it here. I think I can take the bike down. A few rocks to navigate. Should be okay. Here we go, Belmar Beach, or Belmar Beach. Let's check it out. Who would have thought? Literally 1 hour from our house we have a beautiful beach like this. Obviously there's people here having some food and stuff, I guess. Stunning, huh? What these guys are doing out there, huh? What are these guys doing? Are they like trying to catch some seafood, fish? So there's my own. I've noticed a couple of resorts down here. that I passed. Maybe it's somewhere I'll come with the wife and son. Stunning place. There's a couple of other places I saw on the way here that I'm going to. I'll try and stop on the way back and show you these places. I think it was only about half an hour away from our house, and it was a beautiful bay with like turquoise colour sea, right, you know, literally half an hour from our doorstep. Unbelievable. So I'm going to probably go and try and get some gas, and then get some lunch somewhere, and then head back. See, they have these little what do you call them, huts, where you can bring your family and cook. You'll see this in lots of resorts here, you know. It's brilliant. So I managed to get petrol. They were selling it by the bottle, litre bottle, for 62 pesos. There was a woman just on that small road going down to the beach. So I got 2 litres and yeah, pretty much full tank. I just stopped here to show you guys. Look at this. Absolutely fantastic. I've got the mountains, coconut trees, paddy fields, you know. Unbelievable. Sometimes, you know, I just think I'm so lucky living here. It's brilliant. And I've still got blue skies. Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Go ahead.
So it's a bit more busy here. I think there's some sort of bike club. This is me on the way back. Guys, check this. This is typical in the Philippines. Look at that. Oh my god. Stunning. This is what the province is all about. So I wanted to get some lunch, but I've came through a couple of places, Manito, and then a smaller barangay. There's nothing. So I'm going to try and see if I can find that cove that had the beautiful turquoise sea. So it shouldn't be just not too far from here. Ah, looks like I found somewhere. There we go, a couple of pieces of chicken. I've got some French fries coming as well. That's not a bad wee place, this. I see they do pizza, if available. Well, it doesn't look as good as it did earlier when I passed. But you can see the colour of the water, nice. Just at the edge here, I think a lot of sand is kicked up. But that was like turquoise earlier, on my way to Belmar Beach. Never mind, eh? Okay guys, I'm going to head back now. I'm going to go and try and find out where the wife is. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one, cheers.